Let me show you how you can use Phonegrid to create a PayPal account. So let's go into Phonegrid. Alright, as you can see here, it says run mobile workflow on real Android and cloud phone, right? Here you can click 180 minutes for free on this app, right? If you go to this place, go to profiles, you'll be able to create your cloud phone and your browser, right? As you can see, they have pay per minute and monthly rentals as well. So this is Android 13, Android 15, and the rest of them like that. Let's choose Android 15 right there, which is $23 per month. Right, let's choose one device, and here you can just name it something. Let me name it Emmy right there. Okay, so here in network settings, I think that doesn't matter. Display proxies, you can click use existing proxy, but if you don't have proxy, just tap on no proxy and choose SOX 5. Right, after choosing that, okay, this does not even matter. Then here you have to put your proxy. You can get proxy from Jonix.com, but one thing you should just take note of is that Jonix proxy does not create a PayPal account. You can use the link in the description to be able to get proxy instead of using Jonix. But if you want to do anything like surveys or anything at all that requires good proxies, they have good residential proxy, right? So here you can just choose social media and the rest like that. USDT, you can use USDT to pay, or PayPal, or any other thing you have to pay. Then here you just need to put your email address, and I found this code that can help you guys get discount, right? Just put James Survey right there. You see, from $3 it will be reduced to 2.70 cents, right? As you can see. So that's just it. But I won't use that to create a PayPal account. I'll use Motion Proxy to create a PayPal account. I will leave the link below, motionproxy.com. Then I'll paste it here. Alright, then I'll scroll down, then I'll click on network detection right there. Okay, so let's wait. Alright, as you can see, the proxy is now in United Kingdom, right? Yeah, that's just it. Then all of these things you have to leave them, then click on confirm. Alright, let's wait. Make sure you subscribe. If you're finding any value in this video, please subscribe, man. So from here, say to be activated, and yeah, when I try to click on this activate, it won't be able to activate because I've not paid, right? I have to pay to be able to use a cloud phone on this app, but I'll show you how to get it for free. As you can see, right? As you can see, they will ask me to pay, right? You can put as low as $5 there, you understand, because there's pay per minute, right? So you can use some pay per minute, or you get the monthly one, which is $23 right there. Alright, you can use Visa card, MasterCard, USDT, anything at all. Okay, so let's go back to profile right there. No, it won't work. So they will ask me to pay. Let me just go back. Okay. I have to go back. Let's create a browser. Right, this browser you want to create is what you will use to create your PayPal account if you are using a desktop, like a laptop like this, right? Okay, so let's cancel this. Here just click on enable this, right? Then click on confirm right there. Okay, alright, it will create us our browser, right? We don't need to turn on our proxy, we just need to add our proxy to it, right? I've already added a proxy there, just add it like this, so automatically it will be added there. Then here we can just click on start, right? We can click on start, it will start the browser automatically, you understand? You don't need to put your proxy into your computer or anything like that, or your laptop. You just put it there and automatically you will see that you have UK account right here. So from here you can just search anything at all. Let's search for PayPal, right? PayPal, let's search for PayPal. So PayPal right there. Okay, yeah, PayPal, right? Automatically it will take us to PayPal. If you are finding any value in this video, subscribe. So you see PayPal UK. If you see PayPal UK, your proxy is good to go. Alright, so as you can see, you can be able to create PayPal. If you want me to create a step-by-step video on how to create PayPal account, let me know in the comments. If I get enough comments, I will create a video on that. See you guys on the next one. Peace.